Have you ever stared at your empty wallet or negative bank balance and thought, how can I save money when I literally don't have any? Well, guess what? I've been there too. And today on Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, I'm going to show you how to start cash stuffing, even if you're broke, unemployed, or starting from zero. Yes, zero. Because cash stuffing isn't just for people with extra money. It's for people who want more control over their finances, especially when money's tight. Let's flip the script, take control of your coins, and make your money work, even before it shows up. Why cash stuffing works even when you're broke. Cash stuffing, or the envelope method, isn't just a trendy TikTok thing. It's a real, proven method to mentally and emotionally reconnect with your money. When you're broke, your biggest enemy isn't always lack of money. It's lack of clarity and control. Cash stuffing gives you both. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need hundreds of dollars to get started. You don't need fancy envelopes, binders, or markers. You don't even need physical cash to begin. You just need a willing mindset, a few tools, and a plan. Today, we'll go step by step through how to start cash stuffing without a dollar to your name. Step 1. Shift your mindset from I'm broke to I'm building. Before we get into stuffing envelopes or budgeting categories, we need to address the most powerful tool in your wallet, your mindset. When you say, I'm broke, what you're really saying is, I don't believe money will come to me. I don't believe I have control. I can't start saving until I earn more. But the truth is, money follows focus. If you train your brain to see possibilities, you'll find opportunities to save, even if it's just 10 naira, 10 cents, or 10 pennies at a time. So instead of saying, I'm broke, say, I'm building my money muscles. I'm managing what I have, even if it's small. I'm preparing for overflow. That mindset shift is the first step in cash stuffing with no money. You have to believe you're capable, not just of saving, but of changing your financial life one small choice at a time. Step 2, the 3-envelope mental setup. Even before you receive your next paycheck or side hustle income, you can start setting up your envelopes or categories, mentally or digitally. Here are 3 essential envelopes to prepare even with no money. 1. Necessities envelope: food, transport, rent. Think of this as your survival fund. Even if you're borrowing now, you can mentally allocate what you'd like to have in this envelope going forward. 2. Emergency envelope: medical unexpected bills. This is your future superhero envelope. It's empty now, but it's a promise to yourself. When money arrives, it'll go here first. 3. Dream envelope: savings, side hustle fund, personal goals. This one's for you. Maybe you want to start a business, save for travel, or invest in your skills. This envelope holds that vision. You can label them in a notebook, a free app, or a spreadsheet. You're building the habit now, so when money comes in, your system is ready. Step 3, finding invisible money. Now let's talk about a little secret. You do have money, you're just not seeing it yet. Let's uncover the invisible money hiding in plain sight. Here's how. Round down your bank balance. If you have $15.67, treat it like $15. Put that 67 cents aside. Skim off digital transactions. Every time you spend digitally, transfer $1 or your local equivalent into a savings folder, even if it's just in your Notes app. Sell unused items. Got old clothes, books, or gadgets lying around? Sell them locally or online. Turn clutter into cash and stuff that cash. Turn favors into cash. Babysitting for a friend? Walking someone's dog? Offer small services in exchange for a little cash and stuff it. Refunds and change. Don't ignore coins or leftover change. Every penny has a purpose. Start with that. It might not look like much, but over time, it adds up. Step 4, digital cash stuffing with no physical cash. Here's the thing, if you don't have physical cash, don't worry. You can cash stuff digitally using a basic Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet, free budgeting apps like GoodBudget, Fudget, or Zeta, even notes on your phone. All you do is divide your digital income, no matter how small, into your envelopes. Got $10 in your account? Allocate it. $5 to food, $3 to emergency, $2 to dreams. It's about the habit, not the amount. Digital cash stuffing helps train your brain to think in categories, not chaos. Step 5. Create micro savings challenges for broke budgets. Let's spice things up a bit with some micro savings challenges. These are fun, motivating, and designed for people starting with little or nothing. Try these. 1. No spend challenge. Choose one day a week to spend absolutely nothing. Track it. Celebrate it. 2. Save the change challenge. Every time you spend, round up and stash the difference in a savings envelope. 3. $1 day challenge. Try to save just $1 a day for a week. Hustle, barter, resell, whatever it takes. 4. 5-item flip challenge. Find 5 items in your home to sell by the end of the week. Stuff the earnings into your envelopes. 5. Bill Buster challenge. Call your service providers, internet, phone, electricity, and negotiate lower rates. Put any savings into your emergency envelope. These small wins build momentum, and before long, you're no longer broke. You're resourceful. Step 6. Side hustles to kickstart your stuffing journey. Now that your system is ready, let's bring in income, even if it's tiny. Here are some realistic side hustles to bring in your first $10 to $50 for stuffing. Offer digital services. Write, design, or edit online. House clean for a neighbor. Flip items on Facebook Marketplace or WhatsApp groups. Offer voice notes or local tutoring. Start journaling your journey for a blog or YouTube and monetize later. Every $5 counts. Every envelope filled is a step toward freedom. Step 7. Celebrate small wins like they're big. You saved $2? Stuff IT and cheer. You resisted a $10 impulse buy? That's progress. You sold old shoes for $7? That's a win. Why? Because it's not just about the money, it's about what that money means. Discipline, confidence, momentum. Celebrate the first time you fill your dream envelope, even if it's just with coins. Post about it. Journal it. Share it with your future self. That's how you build a cash-stuffing lifestyle that lasts. Step 8. Turn consistency into cash flow. Cash stuffing isn't just a tool. It's a system that turns tiny, inconsistent earnings into predictable savings. Once your envelopes start getting full, you can pay off small debts, build an emergency buffer, plan short-term goals, vacation, gift-giving, birthdays, start investing, and even create a sinking fund for something big, your car, your rent, or your business. Consistency plus small effort equals real money. And the best part? It didn't start with a big paycheck. Started with you. Final thoughts: you don't need more money. You need more strategy. Let this stick with you. It's not about how much you have, it's about how you handle what you have. Cash stuffing isn't reserved for people with extra money. It's for people who want to change their money story. So if your pockets are empty, but your will is strong, you can start today. Start with coins. Start with cents. Start with belief. Start messy. Start broke. But please just start. If this video inspired you, I want you to do 3 things right now. Drop an emoji in the comments if you're starting your cash stuffing journey today. Subscribe to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting so you don't miss any future breakdowns, challenges, and budget hacks. And finally, share this with a friend who says they can't save because they're broke. Let's lift each other up. You've got this. One envelope at a time.